Hey guys, today we're going to be making a custom wood burn sign out of recycled wood, so come along for the ride. We're going to, of course, need some wood. I always look for a piece that's solid enough that it won't fall apart on me, but it still has a nice weathered look. We're also going to need a wood burning iron, and these can be bought as a kit at your local hobby store or standalone at most hardware stores. We'll also need carbon paper to transfer our pattern onto the wood. You want to lay the carbon paper with the dark shiny side down and line up your pattern on top of that. Then grab a pencil and start tracing. You'll have to press pretty hard for the carbon paper to make a mark on the wood, but be careful not to puncture your paper. Once we've got everything traced, we can remove our papers and see how it looks. It's pretty faint, but it just has to be a guideline, so as long as it's visible, it doesn't really matter. Now it's time to commence the burning process. The wood burning iron I'll be using comes with interchangeable tips, and my favorite one to use is this little chisel here. They just screw into the end of the iron. After the iron is ready, we can plug it in and get it warmed up. I'm doing this on a hard metal workbench, so nothing's going to catch fire, but if you're somewhere else, you definitely want to keep the tip of the iron away from anything flammable. To see if it's hot enough, you can test it on a part of your project that won't be visible or a scrap piece of wood. And then we can start burning. Just carefully trace the pattern you transferred onto the wood, and keep in mind, hardwoods like walnut take longer to burn than softwoods like pine. And the outline is done. You can leave it like this if you want, but I'm going to go back and fill in all the lines to give it a bit more contrast. And there we go, it's all finished. If you want to finish it with a coat of polyurethane, now would be the time to do that. But I'm just going to go straight to installing some screws to hang it from and then call it good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to see what I make next. I'll see you next time.